garden today, but not gardening. I'm just cleaning this up with I bought these little things off eBay or somewhere, Amazon, somewhere really cheap, and I'm just going to take this back to the metal. It's obviously the headlight and fairing structure. It wasn't overly bad, a little bit rusty as they go, but I mean, it's, what is it, 30 something years old. So yeah, I'll just clean all that up, and that's my new bracket. Okay, so I have, as you can see, cleaned all the rust, or most of the rust and most of the paint off this frame. Now I'm going to paint it, and then the last job is sort out all those electrics, spaghetti junction in there, and then put the fairing back on and we're done. So if I can find my paint, so I'm going to use this Hammerite. Hopefully that's okay for that frame, see how it goes, otherwise I'll be taking it off again. But that's the job for this morning. Okay, so first little coat coming up, really nice. So I'll give that 4 coats and then it'll be done. Now back to the garage to sort out the hideous electrics. Okay, so I've given it a couple of coats, a couple more to go, and it's turned into a brand new item. So that's really cool. Come back to life. It's not a touch of rust on it now. It's beautiful. Okay, nearly finished, and really impressed with the finish on this. It is really like new. Brilliant. Hey, hi guys. Today I am doing the restoration of some exhaust pipes. I've got some old Swarbricks that are perfectly okay. I've got a compressor there amongst all my wife's plants. I've got a bag of sand and obviously a sandblaster, little cheap one off eBay or somewhere like that, Amazon, not that great. And then I've got a drill with the brush on there, and then as you see the pipe pretty rough, but that actually will come back to a nice, I don't know what the metal is, but some form of steel, and then I'll polish it all up and see how we go. Okay, just a little update to the project. I've just bought a load of these. I bought this thing and a load of these, absolutely loads of these discs, although I think a wire brush is better. And I'm just, as you see, starting to take these pipes, took the ends off them, which are somewhere over there. I'm getting some new ones of them, as I might have mentioned, and I've got all these little brushes that I'm ongoing there. So that's the exhaust being solved. Okay guys, today I'm doing some more sandblasting. I've actually used baking soda to blast my carbs, absolutely fantastic. And then if you remember, my pipes were in this sort of condition, pretty rough, right? So with a bit of care and attention, I mean, that's not going on a nice bike, is it? But this is what I've managed to achieve. That is looking super tidy. Just needs one more little coat, but I'm very happy with that. Just a little mark on there. I think there's a bit of dirt, actually probably a bit of sand caught on it, but that's looking good to me. I'm very happy. New Swarbricks, eh? Since 1991. They're back to life. Okay, so this is pretty much sandblasted now, and I'm happy with it. I won't get it much better than that. A little bit dark on the actual downpipe area there, but pretty good. It'll come up nice with a bit of paint, so all good. Okay guys, if the parcel from the States yesterday wasn't enough, I've got these today, and I don't know what's in this other packet, but certainly a parcel a day or two certainly keeps boredom at bay. So let's have a look. Okay, in the little packet I've just got some more like little oil lines and fuel lines, and then in the bigger packet, let's have a look. 4 cans. Let me open one. Oh man, look at that. That is sweet. So I think I'll have 2 with the little end nozzles on, and 2 without, I would imagine, for the under the seat. But that is sweet as it comes. Oh, I'm really chuffed about that. That'll look so cool. Okay, so this is the under the seat version, slightly different, but still as cool as. So just lastly, to say a big thanks to Dave at Swarbrick Racing, because these have been, I believe, hand built, tailored to my old pipes, because they're slightly different than modern ones. So brilliant, and I bet they sound, be really interesting actually if they sound as good as my old alloy ones, because they sounded epic. So these I assume will sound similar, but we'll see. And hopefully, like I say, it used to sound awesome, so I'm sure it will with these. So thanks Dave, yippee! Okay, just for the curiosity, I've just, even though this is a slightly larger mass, e.g. it's got its end pipe on this end silencer, it's obviously 384, was saying 5.1 just now, I don't know why it's gone up 5.2, 5.0 sorry, but 3.8, let's call it 384 and a half. And then if I look at the look, it needed recalibrating. And then if we, even though this one, it's got no end pipe, as I say. Whoa, look at that. So for people, okay, a bit of a dent in that one, it still works and it's still sealed. But as you see, if you're into weight, if you're a weight fanatic, it's quite a bit heavier. So that's brilliant. The carbon is obviously quite a lot lighter. So well, that'll make me go faster. Okay, so I've got them on. Obviously quite easy, just with the 2 little bolts at the back. But I'm really happy with those. And obviously there's only one more thing to find out. What do they sound like? I assume that means yes. Oh, brilliant. I am just overwhelmed. Just overwhelmed.